I guess I've just always had a passion for sport ever since I was a wee kid. It's just something that's stuck with me the whole way, so I just keep doing it because I enjoy it. So I have a degree in physical education. That was quite theory-based, and while I learnt a lot, I didn't really get the same kind of practical opportunities that I really enjoyed that the Polytechs provided me.
Highlights have definitely been the placement opportunities that we've had. We were lucky enough to work with the Steel, which was awesome. They had such a great season. We've had the Martin Cup as well, the Otago team. We've learnt it's a whole different environment with rugby, and so learning something new there has been really cool as well.
They've just brought a new level of analysis to our group. We've been able to use them to help look at trends and patterns for our games that we've played and also games that are coming up. We also look at ourselves and at the opposition.
It was a really great opportunity to build relationships that could influence my future in the industry. It's also great being able to interact with them in this setting when we still have the educational support so that we can learn while we're in the industry.
It feels like you make a difference on game day and throughout the week and stuff like that. The players and the coaches, they really enjoy the work that you put in and what you can give them at the end of the day.
I just love sports, and I've always wanted to be involved in helping athletes to do better and be their best on the world stage, and so I think this has really helped me head in that direction.